All right, guys, we're back here. Captain Mike. Mark's over there in the car. Gotta hit him up here in a second. Ain't seen my boy in a minute. Checking the trailer out. Think Captain Mike's got a little issue. Gonna see if the hub is busted. Stay tuned. We'll show you how to fix this thing. All right, we're back. Definitely a loose hub. Bad, shot, blown. She's something. She's wobbly. Took her off. Super loose. Gotta pop a new one on. Luckily, West Marine is right there. How convenient. But give us a call. Captain Mike can get you on the water no matter what. Busted hub.
We'll get it done.
Get it done. We don't stop. I got the wheel off. Hub is loose. Shot, definitely. Don't want to be driving like that. Quick repair though. Pop that little bearing cap off and run in the store and pop a new one on. Hopefully they got them. Quick update, got the wheel off, got the hub off. Bearing was busted. In West Marine we trust. Stay tuned. Captain Mike got the goods. West Marine, Clearwater, always got the goods.
Got something.
There we go, brand new hub kit. A little bit of lube. See if we can't get it repaired. Getting the protection on right now.
Heck yeah. Let's get it done.
About to hit the water soon.
Make that money. Get that head, get that bread and leave.
Lube it up good.
Yeah,
Right on that shaft. Start with one finger, then use the whole hand. Twisting motion is key. I have to drop that down in slow-mo, really see how it works.
Slow-mo twist. Learn from the best.
Now slip her on. Back hole first. Yeah. She's on there. Got her back on. Had to go with the backup, but we got her. Fill her full of lube now. We rolling. Most important part, that cotter pin. Pop that off real quick, Mike. Yeah, get that on there. Almost forgot it, but we did it. Buddy bearing, tap tap. Had to be rolling. All right, guys, we're back. Captain Mike's back. Trailer ran good. He said he had a super productive day. Want to get on the fish? Give us a call.